Have you ever dreamed of turning your favorite hobby into a full-time profitable business? Many people are finding ways to monetize their passions and create a steady income doing what they love. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to transform your hobby into a thriving business. From starting a small business to marketing your skills effectively. Stay with us and let's turn your passion into profit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Millionaire Luxe Room, where we help you achieve financial freedom, cultivate a wealth mindset, embrace entrepreneurship, and find daily inspiration and motivation. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. In today's video, we're exploring how you can turn your hobby into a profitable business. Whether it's baking, photography, crafting, writing, or any other passion, there are steps you can take to turn what you love into a lucrative venture. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. Number 1. Identify your hobby and its market potential. The first step to turning your hobby into a business is identifying what you're passionate about and evaluating its market potential. Consider what makes your hobby unique and whether there's a demand for it. Think about how your skills and passion can solve a problem or meet a need in the market. Actionable tip: write down your hobby and list all the ways it could potentially be monetized. Research the market to see if there's demand for your product or service. Look for gaps in the market where your hobby could stand out. Deeper insight: not all hobbies will turn into businesses, but by understanding the market potential, you can find a niche where your passion and skills can shine. This initial research will help you decide if it's worth pursuing further. Number 2. Develop a business plan. Once you've identified a potential market, the next step is to develop a business plan. This plan should outline your business goals, target audience, competition, pricing strategy, and marketing plan. A well-thought-out business plan will guide your actions and help you stay focused on your path to profitability. Actionable tip: start by writing a simple business plan that covers the basics: what you're selling, who you're selling it to, how you'll price your products or services, and how you plan to market them. As your business grows, you can refine and expand this plan. Deeper insight: a business plan is your roadmap to success. It forces you to think critically about your hobby as a business, identifying potential challenges and opportunities. Don't skip this step. Having a solid plan will save you time and money in the long run. Number 3. Set up your business legally. Turning your hobby into a business means taking care of the legal aspects. This includes registering your business name, choosing the right business structure, like sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation, and obtaining any necessary licenses or permits. Setting up your business legally protects you and helps you operate smoothly. Actionable tip: research the legal requirements in your area for starting a small business. Consider consulting with a legal professional to ensure you're covering all your bases, especially if you're dealing with food, health, or other regulated products. Deeper insight: properly setting up your business from the start can prevent future headaches and legal issues. It also builds credibility and trust with your customers, showing that you're serious about your new venture. Number 4. Create a strong brand identity. Your brand is more than just a logo or a name. It's how customers perceive you and your business. A strong brand identity helps you stand out in a crowded market and builds trust with your audience. Think about what makes your hobby unique and how you can communicate that through your branding. Actionable tip: design a professional logo and choose brand colors and fonts that reflect your business's personality. Develop a compelling story that tells customers why you started your business and what makes it unique. Deeper insight: branding is about creating an emotional connection with your customers. By consistently communicating your brand values and story, you build loyalty and encourage repeat business. Remember, people buy from brands they trust and feel connected to. Number 5. Price your products or services competitively. Pricing is a crucial aspect of turning your hobby into a profitable business. You need to find a balance between covering your costs, making a profit, and offering a fair price that customers are willing to pay. Consider the time, materials, and skills involved in creating your product or service. Actionable tip: research your competitors' pricing to get a sense of the market rates. Factor in your costs and decide on a pricing strategy. Whether it's premium pricing, competitive pricing, or value-based pricing, don't forget to include your own time and labor into the cost. Deeper insight: pricing too low can devalue your work and make it difficult to sustain your business, while pricing too high may deter potential customers. Find a pricing sweet spot that reflects the value of your work and appeals to your target market. Number 6. Build an online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential for any business. A website, social media profiles, and online marketplaces are great ways to reach a wider audience and showcase your products or services. Your online presence should reflect your brand and make it easy for customers to learn more about your business. Actionable tip: start by creating a simple website with information about your business, your products or services, and how customers can contact or buy from you. Use social media to connect with your audience, share your story, and promote your offerings. Deeper insight: a strong online presence not only helps you reach more potential customers, but also builds credibility. An engaging website and active social media profiles show that you're professional and invested in your business. Number 7. Market your business effectively. Marketing is key to attracting customers and generating sales. Use a mix of online and offline marketing strategies to promote your business. This could include social media advertising, email marketing, attending local events, or collaborating with influencers. The goal is to get your business in front of as many potential customers as possible. Actionable tip: develop a marketing plan that outlines your strategies for reaching your target audience. Experiment with different marketing channels to see what works best for your business. Don't be afraid to try new things and adjust your plan as needed. Deeper insight: effective marketing is about understanding your audience and meeting them where they are. By tailoring your marketing efforts to your customers' preferences and behaviors, you can build stronger connections and drive more sales. Number 8. Network and build relationships. Networking is a powerful tool for growing your business. Building relationships with other entrepreneurs, potential customers, and industry influencers can open doors to new opportunities and help you learn from others' experiences. Attend events, join online communities, and actively engage with your network. Actionable tip: set a goal to attend at least one networking event or join an online community each month. Focus on building genuine relationships by offering value and support to others rather than just promoting your own business. Deeper insight: networking is not just about gaining customers, it's about building a support system and learning from others. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can provide inspiration, guidance, and encouragement as you grow your business. Number 9. Continuously improve your skills and products. Successful businesses are always evolving. To stay competitive, continuously improve your skills and refine your products or services based on customer feedback. Keep up with industry trends and be willing to adapt to changes in the market. Actionable tip: set aside time each month to learn something new related to your hobby or business. Ask for feedback from customers and use it to make improvements. Stay curious and open to new ideas. Deeper insight: innovation and improvement are key to staying relevant in any market. By continuously learning and adapting, you're not only keeping your business competitive, but also showing your customers that you're committed to providing the best possible products or services. Number 10. Manage your finances wisely. Turning your hobby into a business requires careful financial management. Track your income and expenses, keep your personal and business finances separate, and plan for taxes and other financial obligations. Managing your finances wisely ensures that your business remains profitable and sustainable. Actionable tip: use accounting software or hire a professional to help you manage your business finances. Regularly review your financial statements to understand your cash flow and profitability. Deeper insight. Proper financial management is the backbone of any successful business. By keeping a close eye on your finances, you can make informed decisions, plan for growth, and avoid common pitfalls that can derail your success. Conclusion. Start your journey to profitability today. Turning your hobby into a profitable business is a journey that requires passion, planning, and persistence. By identifying your market potential, creating a strong brand, marketing effectively, and managing your finances, you can transform what you love into a sustainable income. Remember, every successful business starts with a single step. Take action today, and you could be on your way to turning your passion into profit. Final thought. The key to success is to start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Your hobby could be your next big business venture, so don't wait, start today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Millionaire Luxe Room for more tips and insights. Let us know in the comments what hobby you're excited to turn into a business. Your journey could inspire others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.